Greetings and welcome everyone. My name is Douglas Gendron and I am teaching 10th grade biology and 11th grade chemistry this year at Putnam Vocational Technical Academy. In this video, I will present some information about how the classes operate from day to day, the grading policy, and you will also see my contact information at the end of this presentation. So to get started, we'll see how the classes operate from day to day. Both biology and chemistry will follow a similar pattern of accomplishment. We will use Zoom for our class meetings. That's when students get instructions for their assignments, information is presented, and they have opportunities to collaborate on work with their classmates. Unified Classroom is where all assignments will be listed and the grades on those assignments will be posted. So that's where students would go to check their progress in the class. Communication can also happen through Unified Classroom. I can send out announcements to the classes and students can also message me through Unified Classroom. Microsoft Teams is where students will actually do their work and submit it to me. I will also evaluate the work and send it back to them through Teams so that they can look at the feedback I provide. If they want to improve the grade on the assignment, they follow the feedback suggestions, improve the work, and then I will change the grade to reflect the improvement in the work. Next, we'll take a look at how the Unified Classroom pages are laid out. And this example is coming from my first period biology class. The first page would be the welcome page. You see the Zoom meeting link for class, the Teams link to get to Teams. Each class of students has developed their own classroom meeting norms, so that is posted here for reference. These are the expectations that students have of each other so that we can make the most out of the classroom meeting time that we have. A copy of the biology syllabus is also posted here for students to refer to. If we go over here to the left where the navigation part is, click on weekly agenda and students can see what's coming up in the week. For each day of the week, the learning objective is listed, what the in-class learning activities are expected to be, and which graded assignments correlate to those activities. Up here in the corner, the left corner, we see communication. The activity feed is where I can send out announcements to the class, and messages is where students can send me a message if they need help with something or can't access a certain assignment or resources for it. And next we'll take a look at the grading policy. The grading policy is broken down on here in these two charts. Very good. So the final grade breakdown for the year, each marking period will provide 22.5% of the final grade, and the final exam at the end of the year will be the final 10% of the final grade. Each marking period, however, is broken down as shown in this chart. 20% of each marking period grade are formative grades, and 80% of that grade are summative grades. Examples of formative grades are small assignments that are working towards a larger product, day-to-day work, weekly self-reflections or checkpoint quizzes that I give during class, short little checkpoints. The 80% part of that grade, however, are these assessments. Standards-based assessments would be like unit exams. That's where the students are tested on what they learned about the information in class. Lab assessments are lab reports. So whether we watch a video demonstration of a laboratory experiment or perform the experiment ourselves, the students will process the data, draw conclusions, and communicate the results of the experiment through a lab report. Science practices-based assessments are skill tests. We have 8 science practices that we are focusing on throughout the year, and periodically students will be asked to use those science practices to solve new problems. Late work and resubmissions, basically any assignment can be resubmitted for more points. If a student's not happy with the grade, they look at the feedback that I provided. If they act on the feedback and make improvements to their assignment and resubmit it to me, and I see the improvement in the work, then I will go ahead and add points to the grade for the improvement. As we get close to the end of the marking period, however, it is very important to try and send those assignments in to me on time as much as possible so that you have time to work with the feedback I provide. If it's the day before the grades close and you're just sending me an assignment, I might not be able to give you feedback that you would have time to use to change that grade. Extra credit is not really necessary since every assignment can be resubmitted for more points. Theoretically, a student can get an A on every single assignment if they follow the feedback suggestions and resubmit their work showing improvement. In the event that I am absent, there will be an announcement made through Unified Classroom telling all classes that I am absent and that the Zoom class will not be available for the day. And there will be instructions to complete a substitute assignment, and the substitute lesson plan assignment and all the necessary materials will be posted in Teams. And then we're going to take a look at the contact information in the event that students or parents need to contact me. The best way is through my email, gendrond@springfieldpublicschools.com. I check my emails periodically throughout the day. Google Voice phone number, 413-342-0468. My phone is off while I'm teaching. However, I will check the Google voicemail at the end of each school day, and I will usually get back to students or parents within 24 hours. Office hours and extra help, Mondays from 2:20 to 3:20 and Wednesday from 12:20 to 2:20 on Zoom. Students just use their regular Zoom class link and I will meet them on Zoom and help them there. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to a great year of science exploration with these awesome students here at Putnam Vocational Technical Academy. I'm looking forward to the day when we can maybe meet each other face to face. Till then, everyone, please stay safe and healthy and take care.